how to save money on plumbing, appliances, and everyday water use. There are many ways to save money on your plumbing repair bill and water bill. The most important factor is simply knowing how to do so. The problem is, plumbing is such a regular and ordinary part of people's lives that many don't even consider that there are cheaper and more efficient options when it comes to plumbing. Take a look at your surroundings and be aware of the kinds of appliances you're working with. This will help you better understand the ones that can be made better in order to save you as much money as possible. When you go to replace your appliances, pay special attention to each potential appliance's EPA WaterSense rating. This is comparable to other energy ratings on certain appliances. It signifies how efficient the fixtures in question are in terms of water usage. There are several different areas that can see improved water usage from fixtures like these. The toilet. There are some more outlandish ways to improve the efficiency of your toilet, including purchasing a composting toilet that potentially uses no water at all. These toilets take waste, vaporize the liquid parts of it, vent it, and make the solid parts into fertilizer. These toilets are very expensive, however, so this must be taken into consideration. Low-flow toilets might be more your speed if you don't wish to invest in a completely green toilet. These toilets work like any other toilet, but they are better at saving water. Waterless urinals are yet another option and can be very useful in a business setting. Sink and shower. In terms of your sink and shower, the best options tend to be those dealing with water-saving faucets that deliver the same performance and pressure that people are used to while using significantly less water than a comparable faucet might. With certain tools, you won't even need to purchase a new appliance. Rather, you can just install a low-flow aerator to your faucet head in order to slow the water flow while maintaining pressure. Water heaters. In the modern era, hot water heaters are a major component of just about any home. However, many of these appliances use far more water than they need to. The best way to combat this needless use of water is to pick up a tankless hot water heater. This saves energy while still providing a great deal of water to the house. A tankless model is able to heat just the amount of water you need and only when you need it. If you're looking to get a little fancier, there are always solar-powered hot water heaters which harness the energy of the sun to heat water. They're very efficient, but also very expensive to purchase. In the end, all it takes is a little consideration to make your home more efficient. Look around your house and see which components could be easily replaced to save energy. Do your research and make the best choice for your home and for your budget.